You sure?
You got a tissue?
No. No. Why? Okay. Yo.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Byron, aka the Mow-Town Hustler, aka the Grass Assassin, coming at you with another video. I am cleaning from under the deck of my mower, and haven't done this in a while, so you know it looks pretty bad under there. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick shot. Hopefully y'all can see. Kind of dark under there, but yeah, it's pretty bad. I should have been did this, but you know, time just kind of got away from me. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing both of these mowers, and then, you know, probably change the blades, and that's probably all I'm gonna do. That's all I really do maintenance wise, and change the oil maintenance wise to the vehicle. The rest I leave to my maintenance guy, cause most of the other services are a little too time consuming for me to justify doing them myself, as opposed to me just cutting yards while my maintenance guy gets my maintenance done on my machine. So all right.